Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A while back, some time ago, I made a video on how to blend this. I'm Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, I'll make that box littler. But when I must not have made a duplicate of it, so hold down the Shift key and make a smaller one. And then take these two, and I'm going to blend them just 10 times because that's what I kind of did in that first video. And then I rotated the blend by doing this right here. And then we actually filled those in. But a friend of mine actually that I know said, what happens if you just rotate the smaller square first? Which would get you the same result. And so we're going to take that and we're going to rotate that let's rotate it 20 degrees. And then and this could just kind of show you how the blend tool works. We're going to blend it that 10 times and look what you get. You kind of get that. And I think we can still rotate this more and still affect the blend, as you can see. Let's go 45%. So, and then what I did in the first video, it was just kind of showing, I don't have to do anything to this because it's all kind of grouped together, but I'm going to go ahead and go to Object, break the blend apart, and then Control G to group it together. Because what I did in that first video, I did this right here because this is what the person I was trying to help wanted. And then we changed the color to like a gray to fill in the other parts to kind of get a really neat looking look. And then if you want to take away the outline, just right click your mouse, no outline, and the color should be there. Pretty cool effect. So you can do it either way. I'm just trying to throw some things out there. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.